In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a defect in Jira. If you need to report a software issue clearly and make sure it lands in the right workflow, Jira gives you a simple way to do that. The key is to enter the defect in a clean, organized format so your developers and teammates can understand the issue quickly and take action without confusion. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site, or sign in through the official Atlassian login page if that's how your team accesses Jira. Once you're signed in, wait for the main dashboard or homepage to fully load so you can work from the correct workspace. When you're on the Jira home screen, look at the top navigation bar and find the Create button. Click it once to open the issue creation window. This is the main form where you'll enter all the details for the defect. It usually appears as a pop-up or modal, and from here you can choose exactly where the ticket should go. First, select the correct project from the project dropdown. This is important because it determines which team, board, or backlog will receive the defect. After that, go to the issue type field and choose bug or defect, depending on the options available in your Jira setup. Choosing the right issue type helps categorize the ticket properly and keeps it from being mistaken for a task or story. Next, fill in the summary field with a short, specific title that clearly describes the problem. Try to make it easy to scan at a glance. Then move to the description area. This is where structure matters most. Describe the expected behavior first, then explain the actual behavior you observed, and finally list the steps to reproduce the issue in order. Keeping this section organized makes it much easier for someone else to verify and troubleshoot the problem. After that, scroll down and locate the priority field. Set the priority based on the impact of the defect. For example, use a higher priority for blocking issues or serious failures, and a medium level for less severe problems. Then, if your form includes component and environment fields, select the affected part of the application and note the relevant system or platform. These details help route the defect to the right people and give useful context. Before submitting, quickly review everything you entered. Make sure the wording is clear, the fields are correct, and there are no unfinished notes or placeholders left behind. Once everything looks good, click the Create button in the bottom right area of the window. Jira will immediately create the defect and add it to your team's workflow. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.